In today's video, I want to share with you how you can change your channel name. You can change this channel name from Epic Mentorship to something else, maybe Dr. Rashid, for example. So to change this is quite easy. All you need to do is to come to your channel, okay, the home page. You can come to from your channel, you just come to the home page, or you can come to this channel icon over here and you just click on your channel, and here I am on my videos. Okay, so these are my list of videos. From here you can just come to customize channel and it will bring you over here. So this is layout. So for you to change the channel name, all you need to do is to come to basic info. So at the basic info, you see things like the description of your channel, what it does. You can add languages, you can have channel URL. This is the normal URL, this is the customized URL. If you reach a particular number of subscribers and watch hours, you will qualify to have a customized a custom URL, which is youtube.com/c and then your channel name over here. So these are links to your social media handles and other links to banners and so on. But then to change the name of your channel, Epic Mentorship, you can come over here and say edit channel name. You click on this and then you can change everything from here. Okay, so you, instead of Epic Mentorship, maybe you can make it Dr. Rashid. And once you are done, you click on publish over here and it's going to change this channel from Epic Mentorship to this particular Dr. Rashid, and it's going to take effect. So once you change it, you click on publish and it's going to come back and take in Dr. Rashid. So in a nutshell, this is just a bit on how to change the channel name from your YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.